In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw an isometric circle in AutoCAD. If you've ever needed a circle to appear correctly on an isometric drawing, you know it isn't a true circle at all. It's an ellipse that represents a circle on a sloped plane. I will walk you through the exact workflow so your isometric circles look accurate and clean. First, make sure isometric drafting is enabled. Look down at the status bar and toggle on isometric drafting. If you don't see it or prefer the command line, type DS and press Enter to open drafting settings. Go to the Snap and Grid tab and select Isometric Snap. This changes your crosshairs and grid so they align with isometric angles. And it's essential for unlocking the Isocircle option we will need in a moment. If later you don't see the Isocircle option, come back and confirm this setting is on. Next, set the correct isoplane for the face you are drawing on. Press F5, or use Ctrl-E, to cycle through top, left, and right. Choose top for surfaces, like tabletops and floors, and left or right for the angled vertical faces. Picking the correct isoplane ensures your ellipse lines up with the geometry and visually reads as a true circle in isometric view. Now start the command by typing EL and pressing Enter to launch ellipse. By default, this command creates standard ellipses. But we want a special mode made for isometric work. Activate Isocircle by typing I and pressing Enter. You'll see the command line confirm you are in Isocircle mode, which constrains the ellipse to the isoplane you just set. If you don't see the I option, that's a sign Isometric Snap isn't enabled. Turn it on and try again. Click to place the center point of your circle. You can pick any location in your drawing area. Or, if you have existing geometry, use your snaps to lock onto a midpoint or intersection, so the circle aligns perfectly with your layout. Finally, define the size. You can type a radius value directly or choose to specify a diameter, if that's how your design is dimensioned. You can also click a point to set the size visually. Once you confirm, AutoCAD draws an ellipse that represents a true circle on your chosen isoplane. If you need the same circle on a different face, switch the isoplane with F5 or Ctrl-E and repeat the process. That's it. Thanks for watching.